Hello everyone. Let's begin task 6. Task 6. Maybe I will get sick a bit, I don't know, because I woke up a bit weird. But anyway, common directories. Forward etc. etc. This root directory is one of the most important root directories on your system. The etc folder, short for etc. 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 is a commonplace location to store system files that are used by your operating system. For example, the sudoers file highlighted in the screenshot below contains a list of the users and groups that have permissions to run sudo or a set of commands as the root user. Also highlighted below are the password and shadow files, though these two files are special for Linux, as they show how your system stored the passwords for each user in encrypted formatting called SHA-512. We can see it here. We are inside etc, and we'll list inside it to see whatever we have in there. Etc. directory, we have the shadow file, password, sudoers.d /var. The var directory, with var being short for variable data, is one of the main root folders found on a Linux install. This folder stores data that is frequently accessed or written by services or applications running on the system. For example, log files from running services and applications are written here, var logs, or other data that is not necessarily associated with a specific user, that is databases and the like. Here we can see a list again in the var directory, variable data. We have backups, logs, options, temporary. Here we store payloads. /root. Unlike the /home directory, the root folder is actually the home for the root system user. There isn't anything more to this folder other than just understanding that this is the home directory for the root user. But it is worth a mention, as the logical presumptions is that this user would have their data in a directory such as home root by default. And we list inside the root user, and inside the root directory we list it. We see whatever we have in here. /temp. Temporary. This is a unique root directory found on a Linux install, short for temporary. The /temp directory is volatile and is used to store data that is only needed to be accessed once or twice. Similar to the memory on your computer, once the computer is restarted, the contents of this folder are cleared out. Restarted. This is a keyword, restarted. If you sleep the computer, this will still be there. If you restart the computer, not only temporary will be cleared out, but everything. So when you restart the computer, it's a full reset. Everything will restart. And you will lose everything for temporary directory. What's useful for us in pen testing is that any user can write to this folder by default, meaning once we have access to a machine, it serves as a good place to store things like our enumeration scripts. We are inside the temp directory and we list inside that. And we see here to delete, trash.txt, rubbish.bin. Alright, answer the questions below. Readme, complete. What is the directory path that would we expect logs to be stored in? You can see it under the variable data. What root directory is similar to how RAM on a computer works? We'll say /temporary, because also the RAM stores temporary data, stores data temporarily. Name the home directory of the root user. The home directory is /root. Now apply your learnings and navigate through these directories on the deploy Linux machine. We did it!